Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is installing this Mugen, or I have no idea how to pronounce that. Mugen, I think. Shift knob, and it's got like the carbon fiber look with the blue around it. Should look pretty good because I do plan on getting the carbon fiber steering wheel eventually with the blue 12 o'clock, the blue leather stitching. So I think this will match up to it pretty good. Buddy on Instagram sent me the link for this, and I'll give his YouTube channel name. It's actually the guy that owns the TL that raced with Sam Car Legion against the TLX, and so he sent me the link to this, and I'll give you the link to his YouTube channel, and I'll post his Instagram also in the description, so that way you guys, if you have any questions. He also has some nice pedals that I had ordered, but I still haven't got them. They're like Type S looking pedals, I guess, but I still have these, so I don't know. Maybe I ordered them, maybe I didn't, I forget, but it's been like a month. I thought it was through Wish, but I'll have to check through my emails. But anyways, let's go ahead and install this. Shouldn't be too hard. Leo literally just made a video about removing all this, and that's pretty much what you have to do to install this. So I'm just gonna go ahead, throw this head mount on. I finally got a head mount so I can go do some POV driving before the crappy weather gets here. I tried to make the cold air intake custom intake. Here, I'll show you what my plan is. So what I'm gonna do is put like a 4-inch piping down there, and I don't know, I might just take apart the stock air box and like just feed it through there with a bigger piping into right here. But all I got is like an elbow for my PVC pipe. It's a 4-inch, and I was just gonna put it down there and kind of try to mount it to this, but this is kind of like an oval shape and the PVC is round. Now the reason I'm not going too crazy and getting the whole build it kit is, one, they're out of stock. Two, I want to install the supercharger kit this winter, and the intake's gonna sit up here anyway, so it doesn't even matter. There's no point to spending a few $100s for intake setup. I just want something cheap and try to get as much cool airflow as possible. Okay, so haven't used this GoPro in a while. Hopefully I get a good angle, because it would suck if not. I've been using my POV glasses, which I love the angle of them for doing stuff. Like, that's what I use to install the J-pipe, but the audio is just complete garbage. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead, pop this out. It comes out really easy, like Leo said in the video. I mean, the warmer your car is, the better. It's pretty warm out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop all this stuff off. There. Put that here. Go ahead and pop this off. I mean, I guess I could have popped that off first, but there. Okay, now pretty much just got to do all this so you can, there, that's pretty much it. It's just a matter of getting this thing off. Last time I had such a hard time. Hopefully not too hard this time. I think you just literally gotta pop it off. I don't know why this is such a pain to get. Pops off there right easy, but then it doesn't really pop off the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut it from underneath. Like, there's the zip tie. You're gonna need a new zip tie, but we'll go ahead and get that first. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off. Might make it easier. Actually, maybe that's all you needed to pop off, to be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and pop all this back in just to see. There. Yeah. That's literally all you needed to do was pop this up. So, whatever. Live and learn. Cut this zip tie off. Oh, there. Then just twist it off. I mean, I think I'm gonna need this bottom piece, obviously, so just gonna have to figure out how to get it off, since it doesn't really want to come off too easy. See, I don't get why it just pops off so easy. But when it's on there, it doesn't want to come off. Make sure you get the right adapter for the shift knob. I mean, that's loose. That one's too tight. Oh, God. Anyways, I'll get that after. This one fits right on. Said make sure not to tighten it, because the reason why you guys didn't get to see a roll race in his video was because the shift knob actually broke off. So that's why they didn't get to do a roll race, because that's where the TL would have destroyed the TLX, to be honest, in my opinion. There. Oh my God. Alright guys, so back to the POV glasses, because apparently the GoPro wasn't even recording. I don't know, it's a damaged file or something. So now the battery's dead. I'm definitely going to have to buy a new GoPro, because that one drives me nuts. It's just a Hero 5 session and you can't see anything, so you miss the whole process of putting this back on. But what I did was I put the twist tie through the hole, and then I put it through there. The OEM shift knob has these little clips that go in there, and obviously if you do it this way you can't put the OEM back in, but I'm kind of hoping this will keep the shift boot from sliding down, because there's nothing worse than put a shift knob and your shift boot's all like, looks all ghetto and it's just dangling. So I'm pretty much just trying to test fit it, because well, I might as well go ahead and I put this on, and if you put this all the way too tight, then it doesn't work. So you gotta, I think you gotta put this first, like kind of like that, and then that will only allow it to go so far. So I'm gonna go ahead, I put this back. Holy jeez, it's hot, I'm dripping sweat. In the garage. So guys, I know I mentioned, like, I did a poll a few weeks ago of what car you want to see me get for the channel, and I just thought about it a lot, and I really wanted to get another car, because I finally paid this off, but thinking on from a financial point, I didn't even put the screws back in for that when I installed this. Huh. Because there's supposed to be 2 little screws in there, and I didn't take any off to remove this, so definitely forgot to put those back in. But anyways, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get another car payment, because I was looking at the Kia Stinger, and then I was looking at the Q50, and then I was looking at mods for the Kia Stinger and the Q50, and then I realized if I get something like that, I'm just gonna mod it, and I'm gonna be having two unfinished vehicles. So I don't want to. Then I was looking at a truck so I could haul this around as my race car, but then with the price of the trucks, I think all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get an automatic TL like this. I'm gonna snatch up an A-spec, and then hopefully be able to swap all the parts, because I did damage this, the headlight, and I damaged the front fender when I rear-ended that Jeep. For those of you that are subscribed would know that, and I just want to swap all the parts from the A-spec, the headlight, the front fender, the front bumper, everything onto this TL, so then I don't have to buy the body parts separately, because it would get pretty expensive if I do that. And So yeah, I think a lot of you guys would be interested in the 6-speed auto. Leo's got the 5-speed auto covered. So I just want to do the 6-speed auto. I just kind of want to compare it. I'd love to race it against the TLX. I'd love to do some draggy runs with it, some lightweight wheels, and just kind of similar to what I did with this, but not go too expensive. Now that I know what to do first, I can save some money. I can do the high flow pre-cats because I don't want it not pass safety, and yeah, I don't know. I think that's a better route to do, and then I'll just keep that for the winter pretty much, then sell it in the summer. And I really like that Lexus, so we'll see. I don't know. I'm all over the place with but the main thing is getting the A-Spec kit on. This is all I care about, so if I can get a 6-speed auto, even a 5-speed auto at this point, I would just take it as long as it's black, and then I could take the A-Spec kit, because I do like the 09 to 11 rear better of the A-Spec, but I won't be able to take the headlight and the bumper and the fender, I don't think, from 09 to 11 to put on this, so that's why I want the 6-speed. And like I said, nobody's doing 6-speed all-wheel drive content, so I would like to get some out there. And yeah, I definitely want to line it up against the TLX just to see who is faster. I mean, I think it's going to be pretty close, but okay, so enough jibber jabber. Let's get at her. Hopefully this screws on. And see, I don't know, guys, like, you know what I mean? Like, is this even the right one? Anyway, try this again. Pre-screw it in. Just kind of sucks because, like, the OEM shift knob, you would know, like, when it gets snug, you know, you're pretty much tight. This thing, like, there's no way of knowing. See, I don't want to go any tighter than that, but it's all twisted, so I'm gonna have to loosen it up. There, it's all clipped now. And then I just keep coming right back to this friggin' angle. Literally right after I shut off the glasses and paid attention to what I was doing instead of just rambling, I realized there's a screw in there, so all you would have to do is just loosen it. Maybe let's try a half a turn, see if that works. So anyways, I'll pick it up once I find the right position for the screw. Okay guys, so actually do not loosen that screw. As you can see, I messed up my shift knob because you're not supposed to loosen that screw. I didn't think it would do anything, but it definitely started falling apart. As you can see, don't loosen that screw like an idiot. That's how you adjust it, is with this. I haven't done it yet because I've just been busy, so but I gotta find something, maybe some pliers or vice grips or something to try to loosen this. Here, let me try. Yeah, I can't do it with my fingers, but anyways, that's what you use, and then you'll tighten it and find your desired spot. So I just have it like that just for now. As you can see, it's not lined up correctly, but now that I know, I might have to go ahead and order another shift knob because I hate that it kind of separated here. But anyways, that's how I'm running it right now. So it looks dumb, but I'm gonna fix it. Like I said, I've been really busy. So anyways, do it the right way. Don't touch that screw. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe. Lots more to come. I know I haven't been very great with the uploads lately. I've just been busy working long hours, like really long hours. So I sleep my day away, and then when I wake up, the sun's about to go down because I really want to get the ported runners installed. Anyways, I'm done blabbing. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.